I'm very excited to present to you one of the most requested storage products, the 46-inch high-capacity steel storage combo. It consists of two parts, the 10-drawer steel rolling cabinet and a 6-drawer steel top chest. The premium drawer slides are rated at 45 kilograms and feature a soft close function, which prevents the drawers from being shut too abruptly and keeps all contents in place. The two bottom drawers have been equipped with a double set of drawer slides, which means that they can support up to 90 kilograms to accommodate even the heaviest equipment. The 46-inch steel storage unit is full of integrated additional storage solutions that have been designed to make everyday work in a workshop as efficient as possible. Here we have a worktop drawer, which has an additional flap that provides a nice work surface for making notes or using a laptop. This lid can be lifted, and underneath we still have a full standard drawer for storage. In the top right corner there is a safety drawer, which can be locked independently. It is ideal to keep your personal items safe, such as your phone, keys, wallets or documents. The bottom drawer features a power tool organizer for neatly storing drill and impact drivers, impact wrenches and batteries. There are two power boards included, one in the top chest and the other one on the cabinet. They will allow you to charge battery packs, tools or any other electronic equipment directly on the cabinet. They are magnetic, so you can mount them anywhere you like. On the side of the cabinet there is a dedicated pre-drilled space that will allow you to mount any Milwaukee battery pack charger. On the sides of the unit we have many other storage accessories to boost your productivity, such as a pegboard compatible with standard Euro hooks, a foldable shelf for bottles and sprays, a paper roll holder or storage hooks. The cabinet has the same high build quality as all our Milwaukee products, having been constructed with 1.2 mm thick steel and has a guaranteed 1,360 kilograms overall weight capacity. To support this weight, we have used 150 mm industrial casters, 2 fixed and 2 swiveling with brakes, to ensure that the cabinet is easy to maneuver, yet at the same time stays stable. This unit offers high storage capacity, amazing durability and best user experience. With its premium drawer slides, durable industrial casters, numerous integrated storage solutions and our unique built-in power center, the high demands of every professional mechanic are completely satisfied with the new Milwaukee 46-inch steel storage combo.